You found one! Get it! Put it in your bag, bud.
I know I'm not too much of a bargain, and you know that's not what you bargained for.
You can get it if you want.
As the hours turn into days, pretty soon lost in the haze, it's up to you and me, and who's to say these could be the good old days. I like waking up after a bad dream. Makes it feel like life ain't bad. Little kids go out to play, they're just happy it's another day. It's up to you and me, and who's to say these could be the good old days. Could be a quiet hero. No one knows the good I've done. You're not sure, well that's okay, 'cause I am and I'm not afraid. It's up to you and me, and who's to say these could be the good old days.
Cool, now you can have a new pajama day at school. Next time you have a pajama day at school, you can wear those ones. Very nice, Sierra.
No, it is.
Look!
If you don't want the clothes, then don't open it.
What does this say? Does it say to Daddy?
No, it says to Frankie. I just couldn't find a new thing.
This one's for you.